If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you macOS Sonoma on MacBook Pro M2. Apple has released the first beta version of macOS Sonoma, or macOS 14, to users participating in the developer beta testing program. While the first developer betas are available only to registered Apple developers, a public beta will be made available to anyone interested in July. macOS Sonoma includes new features for the Mac, including new screensavers, the reintroduction of widgets, improvements to messages, Safari browsing profiles, FaceTime video messages, and more. Developers can find macOS Sonoma Beta 1 available to download from System Settings, and then at System Settings, and then at General, and then at Software Update. Though the developer beta is obviously intended for developers only, technically anyone can enroll in the Apple Developer Program and pay the fee to become a registered developer, thereby gaining access to the developer beta. However, a better approach for more casual users is to simply wait for the public beta to be released next month. The final version of macOS Sonoma will be made available to all Mac users this fall as a free software update. macOS Sonoma, technically versioned as macOS 14, features a new desktop widgets feature, new screensavers, new video conferencing features, a new game mode feature that optimizes performance when playing games, and more. The desktop widgets feature in macOS Sonoma should already be familiar to anyone who remembers the unappreciated dashboard widgets feature that debuted to much popularity back in 2005 with macOS X Tiger 10.4 and then later removed in macOS Catalina onward. But what's sold is new again, and widgets are now back on the Mac, and they're interactive, available at a quick glance, or you can place the widgets directly on the Mac desktop where their appearance will fade slightly when out of focus. New FaceTime video conferencing capabilities are also coming to macOS Sonoma, where you can easily share your screen or content, while using the presenter overlay feature to place whoever is speaking over the content they are sharing. New screensavers also come to the Mac with macOS Sonoma, including screensavers of the Hong Kong skyline, Monument Valley in northern Arizona, and of course, the wine country and hills of Sonoma, California. Safari also has gained some notable updates and new features, including the ability for private browsing sessions and windows to lock when they are not in use, preventing someone from snooping around in your private Safari tabs if they otherwise have access to your computer. And there's a new profiles feature that allow you to separate Safari browsing sessions, cookies, and extensions based on a profile, like work or school or a particular project or topic. Game mode is a new feature that optimizes CPU and GPU performance in gaming, so that the game gets maximum priority from the Mac's hardware, ensuring optimal performance. There are many other new smaller features too, including enhanced PDF support for notes and PDF autofill for form filling. You can say just Siri instead of Hey Siri, group password sharing, new stickers features in messages, smarter autocorrect and dictation, and more. macOS Sonoma will support any Mac from 2018 onward, and also the iMac Pro 2017 model and newer. macOS Sonoma is available as a beta to developers now, for public beta users in July, and to the general public in the fall, as a free update to any compatible Mac. macOS Sonoma update includes several new features, but not all of them are available on Intel-based Macs, according to Apple. On the macOS Sonoma features page, fine print indicates that the following features require a Mac with an Apple Silicon chip, presenter overlay, a feature that displays the user on top of the content they are sharing in any video conferencing app, game mode, which prioritizes CPU and GPU performance while gaming by limiting the performance of background tasks, a new high-performance mode in the screen sharing app, the ability to pair Mate for iPhone hearing devices directly with a Mac, the ability to invoke Siri by saying Siri instead of Hey Siri. Apple does not indicate why the features are not available on Intel Macs, but it likely relates to performance considerations. And only Apple Silicon Macs have a neural engine for machine learning tasks. The The last Intel Macs were released in 2020, and Apple has since moved to its own custom-designed processors. The transition to Apple Silicon is now complete following this week's introduction of a new Mac Pro, with the M2 Ultra chip. macOS Sonoma will likely be released to the public in October, and is compatible with Macs released in December 2017 and later. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.